Welcome back to another episode of Big Zaddy Hunters. I'm your host, JC Copeland. Just first and foremost, I want to apologize to y'all. I have not been dropping any content lately. I'm truly working on it, y'all. I'm truly working on it. It's going to be more deer hunting videos, more plot ready videos, more cooking videos. A lot of more stuff is coming, man. Like, you know, just whatever I'm doing, I'm just finna start dropping it just because I got a whole bunch of time now. Prior to this, I had been working on my master, so that's the reason why I really couldn't get and edit all these videos. This was gonna be a raw one. I'm gonna y'all know right now. I'm gonna put a picture in front of this video. Whoop de woo, you hear me? Y'all finna get a raw pilot video for the next thing I'm finna start doing. Speaking of the next thing I'm about to start doing, I'm about to start restoring my 1984 Chevrolet Silverado C10. It's gonna be a 4x4. So yeah, it's my first truck I bought. You know what I'm saying? Like, my first truck I got, people bought it for me. You know, I went to college and had that. That was cool, you hear me? But now this is the first one I bought. Now, it was just a shell. I got it for like $400, man, from the dude down here in Fort Benning, Georgia. He was an Army man. He was finna leave, get deployed. And he sold it. He was restoring it. But it didn't have no motor in it, had no transmission, didn't have nothing. It's basically just a shell. I'm talking about I got to get every single thing for this truck. I mean, from the lights to the back bumper, you hear me? But it's the shell of it is in very, very good shape, man. You couldn't get a bigger steel, man. One of my chains broke and I sold it for like, what, $600? And I spent $400 on buying this car, because this is my dream truck. So yeah, we finna see a whole bunch of trials and tribulations of getting everything together, find the right mechanics to do this job and that job, having the right tools, putting the matchups, all the parts, woo, man. You about to see a real struggle. You hear me? It ain't gonna be all easy, man. I'm a teacher, bro. I don't get paid that much kind of money like that. And I hustle on the side. Hustle, I mean, by working with my parents or my uncles or, you know, siblings, stuff like that. Nothing like, I don't sell drugs. Now, although, yeah, I look like a drug dealer, you know what I'm saying? But now, baby, I'm degreed up, baby. I ain't nothing like that, you heard me? I'm a God-fearing man. But just stay tuned, you heard me? I'm about to get into some stuff, man. Got my little dude knocked out back there. You can't even see him. My bad, man. Y'all have a great one. Stay tuned, because I'm coming out with a lot of new footage this year, man. Just hit the subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Let a nigga know what he doing wrong. You want the merch, let me know. I got a plug for that, man. You know, holla at your boy. Yeah. My bad. I know the camera kind of shaky, you hear me? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drop a little video of the truck, you hear me, at the end of this. And yeah, man, I just want y'all, hey, let me know what you think, you know what I'm saying? I'm always open to suggestions. I ain't even came up with a name for the truck yet, you heard me? Cause it ain't got no heartbeat, man. It ain't got nothing. It's just a shell. You heard me? I'm gonna put some feet on that girl. But yeah, you know, subscribe, leave comments, let your boy know what's up, man. Let me know what I can do better, what I can do worse, what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing right. Hey, I'm here, man. I'm open for critique, man. Get your boy, yeah.